Welcome to the Daily Motivator. Hey, there's a scripture somewhere in the Bible that says, let your yes be yes and let your no be no. Jesus talks about it. You know, he had it going on over 2,000 years ago. Because here's what I've noticed in the fitness industry. When people call me up and ask about my gym, and then they say, and I say, hey, you know, I put them on the spot and say, hey, what are you doing tonight? You want to check it out? Come on at 5, I got a class. Okay, what are you doing Monday? I got a 5. When they say, you know what? I might be there. You know what that means? No. No. 99% of the time when people say they might do this, they might do that, they might go there, usually means no. Hey, let your yes be yes. You gonna work out at 5 tonight? When I hear, I will be there, yes, I'll be there at 10 till, what do I need? That's when I know they're gonna show. No more mights. Have a great day.